Hello, my name is Jeffrey Bryant, and so far I went over the whole section 9 and about halfway of section 10 in the Advanced React Native Concepts. So we moved on to a new app which focuses on a job app. So in our code, we created pretty much 6 different screens, I believe: authorization, deck screen, the map screen, review screen, the settings screen, and the welcome screen. So pretty much our goal is to be able to navigate between these 6 screens. So far in our app.js file, we used a couple components from a new library called React Navigation. We have, well, in the video they used Tab Navigator and Stack Navigator. For some reason it's called deprecated inside of Expo, so I had to use create bottom tab navigator and create stack navigator. So in our render function, we call this create bottom tab navigator. We pass in the welcome screen and the auth screen. So that'd be the name of the tab is welcome. So then from there we have the main, and the main screen has another bottom tab navigator, which has the map and deck. And for the stack navigator is the review for the screen and settings, which means you'll be able to navigate it right off the screen and it's not nothing at the tab at the bottom. So pretty much in section 9 we focused on navigation. So in the review screen we created a static variable called navigation options, where we're able to have the title of the screen page plus a little button tag on the right to navigate to the settings screen. So once this button is pressed, it should call this navigation and send it to the settings screen. And this sets the color and the background of the button. And it determines if the phone is Android or not. It'll set the margin top based on that. So we have that so far. And then from there, also in the welcome screen, we created some slides. So this is our slide data. We have one slide that says welcome to job app. This is the second slide and this is the third slide. So we want the user to be able to slide on the welcome screen through 3 pages and then from there navigate to the authentication page. So in order to do a slides, we created a JS file called slides. So this JS file grabs the data and grabs each slide and does a background color and sets the background color based on the slide color that's given to it and displays the text on the screen. And then it grabs the last slide and adds a button to it to navigate to the authentication screen. So the button should be called onwards, and then from there this .props.onComplete determines where to go from there. So back in the welcome screen, the onComplete is another navigate method using to go straight to the auth screen. So show you a little demo. So far the welcome screen is like this. So each screen has a different color, and then on the last slide, if I click onwards, it should take me to the auth screen. So you got the welcome, you got the auth, you have main, got the map, deck, and then review, and then you see the settings tab on the top right. So I'm still trying to figure out the settings navigation because when I click it, I get it undefined as not an object. So I'm still working on that method. But in section 10, we're focusing on authentication on Facebook. So far, I created a couple of index files to set that up, such as an action type, which would be the Facebook login success, and then the auth actions to get a token to determine if this is a Facebook user or not. So I'm pretty much just starting on that, and I'm going to continue to work on section 10. Thank you.